Hey guys, welcome back to Techno Hack. This is Parikshit here, back again with a new video, and in the continuation of the Netcat series, this is the sixth video of our Netcat series, and in this video we are going to see what is client to server relay. So I hope you understood the previous video, which was for the server to client relay, and in there we discussed how the server to client relay will work, what is relay, and we understood the basic terminology and how the relay will work. All right, so the similar way now in today's video we are going to actually look up for the client to server relay, okay, and how the client to server relay will work. So if you understood better the previous video, it will be very easy going for this tutorial, okay. And here, as you can see in this image, what is exactly the client to server relay will do here is actually the target machine will act as a client and the attacker machine will act as a server. So because it is a client to server relay, so the client will be serving to the server. So here in this case, our client will be the target machine and the server means the attacker machine, okay. So as this is our target machine and it is a client, so client always actually ask for the data, okay, as server actually provides the data, so client will actually ask for the data. Asking for the data means nothing but let me put it here. So here now asking for the data means it will be in the connecting mode, okay, and when the attacker is already a server machine, so where it will be serving the data means it will be in the listening mode. All right, so let's do that. I will actually show you practically how that works, okay. So this relay will actually going to take the complete data from the target machine and then it will pass it to the attacker machine. So this relay, we will be having two commands, netcat 1 and netcat 2, which will be joining by using a FIFO pipe, okay. So I have already shown you how we have actually created a pipe by using mknode command in the Linux and how we have joined them. So the similar things which we are going to do it today, and let's do that. So this is our client machine, which is our target machine, or you can say victim machine. So this is our Ubuntu machine which will act as a relay. So let's do that now. So as I said, our target machine will act like a client, so which will be in a connecting mode. So before that, into the netcat command, I will actually have to set up the relay. All right, so let's do that now. Let's set up the relay, which will be ncat, and let me first complete the second command. All right, so here it will be ncat. So as said, the client machine will be in a connecting mode, so I should be in the listening mode here. -L-K-V and -P. I will be listening to the 5555, and I will be then using the pipe and cat pipe, which will actually take the input from the target machine. And then once I actually have an output, then I will pass that output to the second netcat command. So as said, my Kali Linux machine will here act as the server machine. So server machine always actually provide the data, means which will be actually in the listening mode. So netcat -L-K-V and -P. So I will be here listening to the port 4444 and I will say enter. So now I am listening, and the similar thing which I am going to do here is I am going to connect to that machine. I will be connecting to the 192.168.160.128, which is my Kali Linux machine address 24444, and I will be using the pipe to send the output, okay. So this is ncat pipe. Now let's open this, and I will be actually in connecting mode here. Before that, let me set this up. Let's say enter. This is listening on 555, and here Kali Linux machine is also listening on 444. Now once I set up this here, so what I have to do is, as this is my client machine and this is a client to server relay, so client will actually pass, so means here it will be in a connecting mode, okay. So netcat and I will be in a connecting mode. So what I will be connecting to, I will be actually connecting to the 160.154, which is my Ubuntu machine, which is my relay machine, and I am actually connecting to 555. So if you can see here, I actually have a port 555 listening on this machine, and I will now actually connect it. But I have to set up the bash bin bash. Enter. You can see I have already provided a bin bash from here. Now I will go back to this machine. You can see the connection from 160.1. I mean, it is now connected here, but now I have to check what happened to Kali Linux machine. So you can see connection received on this. Connection received on 160.154. So on my Ubuntu machine, I have my connection open. Let's say ls. I have the similar file which I got directly from my victim machine. I can actually also ask who am I, and I am a root. Okay, present working directory is root. So this is how I actually received the shell again back to my attacker machine from my victim machine, okay, by using the netcat relay. So this command here, if you can see, this is actually listening mode, and where I'm connecting to, I'm connecting it from my target machine, which is my victim machine. And once I have the shell open here, I am actually passing that output by using a pipe to this machine. Okay, I'm passing it to this machine, and I'm passing it to netcat1 command. So what is netcat1 command? Netcat1 command is actually connecting to the Kali Linux machine. So because the Kali Linux machine is in listening mode, and that's how it was connected. Alright guys, so this is how the client to server relay will work. I hope you understand this. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. So I will meet you in the next video where we will be seeing what is server to server relay. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye bye.